Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 4th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, Baba has come to make you into the kings of flowers. Therefore, there should be no bad odor of vice. Question: what effort should you make in order to finish all trace of the vices? Answer: constantly make effort to remain introverted. To be introverted means to become detached from your body in a second. You should completely forget everything of this world. Go up above and come down in a second. When you practice this, all trace of the vices will finish. In between performing actions, become introverted. It should feel like absolute dead silence. There should not be the slightest noise or movement. It should be as though this world doesn't exist. Essence for Dharana. First is, imbibe the imperishable wealth of this knowledge and then donate it. Give yourself a tilak of sovereignty through this study. Become a benefactor, the same as the Father. Second is, observe all precautions about food and drink. Be careful that your eyes never deceive you. Reform yourself. Don't perform any sinful action through your physical organs. Blessing for today. May you constantly experience the power of your mind and use it to cooperate in the unlimited tasks. Details are: in order to transform matter and the vibrations of Tamoguni souls, and to keep yourself safe in the atmosphere and the vibrations of unnecessary bloodshed, give cooperation to many souls, begin the new creation with the power of yoga for the new world. For all these huge tasks, you need the power of your mind. It is only with the power of your mind that your final moments will be beautiful. The power of one's mind means the power of elevated thoughts, to have a clear line to the One. Now, become experienced in this and you will then be able to cooperate in these unlimited tasks and claim a right to that unlimited kingdom. Slogan is, fearlessness and humility are the forms of a yogi and jnani soul. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. God's love is a blissful swing. While swinging in this swing that gives happiness and remaining constantly merged in God's love, no adverse situation or upheaval of Maya can then come to you. God's love is infinite and immovable. There is so much and it is so strong that anyone can receive it, but the way to receive God's love is to be detached. To the extent that you remain detached, you will accordingly claim a right to God's love.